Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today, y'all, I got to give you updates on my hair journey. This is unbelievable. Unbelievable. This, y'all, crazy. I'm not playing. So when you see my hair journey, you gonna see what I'm talking about because I'm not playing. But listen, like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for coming to my channel, watching my videos, learning the things that I want to share with everyone. I want to say thank you for all the love that I get from everybody, but I got to keep you up on my hair journey, baby. I'm talking about on point. So tonight I said, while I take my stuff, I said, I got to give an update. Like, I really got to give an update. Like, it been, I would say, 6 months now, with 6 to 7 months on my hair journey. Listen to me and hear me clearly. My hair growth journey has been amazing. Unbelievable proof and results that these products work from Bugettos. I have never in my life tried a product that actually grew my hair this long and this thick. So I want you to stay tuned so you can see my journey of what's going on, because everybody, this is real, but we'll get into it later. Like, comment, and subscribe, and we're going to go ahead and get into this video. Okay, y'all, so we're going to go ahead and jump into it. What I want to say first is represent the Bugettos, baby, because your product sits on point, and this is all going to be what I do, because my goal is to grow my hair to my ass. That's my goal. So I will be doing all no heat protective styles, so I could just keep growing my hair. So that means wigs, lace fronts, braids, sew-ins, stuff like that, until I get to where I want to be, because when you see my journey, you're gonna be shocked. But what I want to do first is I want to go ahead and I want to show you the products that I do use, and then I want to show you the products that they do have, which is actually good as well. Okay, so the first products that I do, because they got some new ones in that's really good that I'm definitely going to try, that I want you guys to check out too, because I think that they're going to be really good because they're known products. So what I'm going to do, okay, so the first product here that we have here, okay, this is the, okay, so the first products that I actually use right here is Msm and Vitamin C. So it's Msm and Vitamin C. Msm has always been known to grow your hair. Vitamin C have always been known to make your hair healthy. But these are mixed together, and they are a beast, and they work extremely well. So the compounds together make it works really, really well. So I take one at night, and I take one in the morning of the Msm and the Vitamin C. So it is really important that you take things that's for you. And y'all, it makes your skin clear, grows your hair. Now, I mean, nails all on point and everything. Like, for real. Anyway, so this is the first one, Msm and Vitamin C. Everything is 100% organic, so you can't overdose. So don't ever think that you can, oh, I don't want to take too many. No. One in the morning, one in the evening of these. Now, what I also take is I just take the Pure Biotin. They have their Bugettos Pure Biotin that I take as well. So this is the Now, they also have Biotin and Msm, which is a really good product to have too. So y'all might want to check that out, because that really, those two products are really known to grow your hair. So right now, and if you see Msm, Biotin, Vitamin C, take one in the morning, one at night, one in the morning, one at night. But I also got to show you this, because their new product is what I really, but these is what I have been using for the last 5 months. And I will continue to use these until my hair gets down to my butt. Okay. So these are the two that I take every day, and that I have been taking every single day. So, so they also, like I said, they do have the Biotin and Msm bundles and stuff too, which is really, really good as well. But let me show you what they also got. Check this out. Now, this is a new product that they have that I really, really like. Like, y'all, check this out. One, they gummies. They're gummies. So I'm just going to add this in. Like, I'm going to add it in, and it's going to be great. So in the gummies, it comes with 60 counts. So it's 60 counts. So you at least got 30 days if you do one in the morning, one at night, right? Okay, but this one here, guys, it comes with biotin, vitamin C, zinc, and vitamin E, and the rest of it more. So every one of these products is actually known to grow your hair. So I want to tell you that these are really good products. They're 100% natural and they're 100% good. But what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to go ahead and show you my hair journey that you're going to love. Check it out.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, guys, and that's my hair journey. Like, I am completely amazed. I have my product that I will be sticking with. I want to say, you guys, get it. It really do work. You can go on the website. You can see all the reviews. Like, they have plenty of reviews where you see where people's like, yo, this stuff really works. Go get your hair vitamins, bro. Like, these work. I don't know about everybody else, but I can tell you about these. These really do work. And I'm here to tell everybody, like, I am a proven customer that these products work. Matter of fact, I want you to check this out here. This is about, okay, so I've had my braids in for about 2 weeks now. So we got a good amount here. So I got some new growth. This is like 2.5 weeks here. Two and a half weeks. Take your vitamins. Drink a whole bunch of water. Water matters because of the biotin. Water matters. Now, please understand that with the biotin, some women do break out with biotin. So you would definitely need to drink a lot of water. What I don't mean 1 or 2 cups. If you can do like a half a gallon of water, that would be really good. Because not only is your skin going to be looking just great and amazing and fabulous. I mean, I'm just saying. And that way you drink a lot of water because, you know, once again, these help with your skin too. So drink a lot of water. Sometime MSM, I have heard that it could give you a headache. I haven't had a headache at all. But if it do give you a headache, then take it every other day. Don't take it every day. Take it every other day until your body start getting immune to it. And then you could just take more. But I'm going to go ahead and take mine real quick too. So you can see me take them. Like, this is what I do. Let me go get me some juice. Hold on. So I went and got my water. I'm going ahead and take I've got some water that I'm going to take. And I'm going to take my little vitamins, guys. Take my little vitamins. So first I'm going to take my Msm and Vitamin C that I really love. Okay, so that's my vitamin C. I'm going to take my biotin. Take my biotin, guys. And I'm going to take my gummy. I'm going to take my gummy. I'm going to chew my gummy. I'm going to take these first. So, okay. Take these first. And, ladies, or men, because ladies or men can't take these. They just grow hair. It grows hair everywhere, y'all. So, don't get it twisted. It literally grows hair everywhere. Okay? So, let me tell you. If you got hair that grows under your neck or your chin, it's going to grow. It's going to grow. Y'all, I got hair that grows right here, and I promise you, I can shave every other day. Like, I went from shaving maybe once a week to every other day because it's crazy. I'm like, I shave more than my husband shave. What the hell? He be joining me. I'm like, don't be talking about me. Don't be talking about me. Anyway, it grows your hair everywhere. So, hygiene. Ladies, you got to keep shaved. Hair grows everywhere. You got hair on your elbows and shit. Just shave it. It's not right. Just shave it. It's good. But your hair grows. Your hair grows how you want it, and thick. You got thin hair, goes thick, healthy, and long. Okay, so now I do want to mention too. Now, when I first started my hair journey, I got to tell you about some other good products that I'm going to do another video on, which is my hair mask that I use. Because a lot of times when I braid my hair down, I mix my hair mask. I do organic hair mask, which is also biotin, MSM. I got to look, biotin, MSM, aloe vera powder, and vitamin E and you mix it together in an oil or a like a good moisturizer that I got from I Am Simply Natural. I love their products as well. You mix them together, you put it on your hair, and then you braid your hair down. And like you can braid it down when you go and get your hair braided. If you're doing a sew-in, tell them to put it in your hair when you're getting your sew-in done. And just leave it in. But I do have to tell you that I went to buy me some more products from I Am Simply Natural, and the company it says under construction for, I guess, new management purposes or whatever the case is. So I don't know when that will be back up, but they have amazing products as well. And that is one thing that helped my journey as well, is to keep your hair with that particular hair mask on. Okay, and then once you take it out, wash it out, put it back in. Wash it out, put it back in. Wash it out, put it back in. Anyway, so it's really, really important. But if you go on Bougettos.com, get your hair vitamins. Ladies, if you're trying to grow your hair, bump wigs if you got hair, right? Bump bundles if you got hair, right? Bump everything as far as weave and tracks. If you got hair, then you could just wear your own if it's where you want it. But what I can say, guys, is that if you're looking for healthy hair or longer hair, Bougettos is where that. Now they have oils and 100% oils too. They got like hair put-ins. Actually, do I think I have, where is it? Hold on, because I think I do. Hold on for 1 second. Okay, so I do have it. So they also have, and if you see, they have rice water and flaxseed oil hair infusion. This is really good too. So like at night, I don't do it every night, which I should. I should, guys. Especially with braids. Braids, do it every night. Just kind of spray it in your hair. It's rice water. Everybody know rice water and flaxseed grow your hair. Everybody know this. But it's mixed together. It's a hair oil. And it's going and then right before when you get done, then go ahead and massage your scalp. Now, go ahead and massage your scalp. And use the oils to be able to keep your hair oiled too, especially if you have braids. If you got braids, or like a sew-in or something, or under a wig. So right after that, what you want to do, y'all, is you want to make sure that you massage it in. But make sure you, under your hair protective styles, make sure that you, if you wear a wig and